you ever noticed how nothing lasts? A perfect moment, a fleeting sunset, a feeling you wish you could hold on to. No matter how much we try to hold on, everything slips away. We chase the good, desperate to make it last, and when the bad comes, we fight it, as if we could somehow stop it from happening. But what if we stopped chasing? What if we simply let things be? There's a philosophy in Japan, Wabi, Sabi, a way of seeing beauty in imperfection, in the cracks, the flaws, the things left unfinished. It teaches us that nothing is permanent, and that's exactly why it's beautiful. We hold on to memories like souvenirs, afraid to lose them. But memories are proof that something ended, and that's okay. Because endings aren't just about loss. They're reminders that something was once real, that it mattered. We can't hold on to time, but we can appreciate what it leaves behind. When you travel, you feel it more than ever. You try to capture everything, the colors, the faces, the feeling of being there. But the truth is, you can't hold on to a place any more than you can stop time from moving forward. So why not just be in it? Not clinging, not resisting, just being. Because one day, everything we love will become a memory. And that's not something to fear, that's something to embrace. In the imperfections and fleeting moments, we find life's true beauty. It's the acceptance of this impermanence that defines.